Hi, it's Anggun and I'm going to talk about big data and the use case of it in Salesforce Cloud Capacity Management. What is big data? Big data is this immense and diverse set of information growing rapidly. It encompasses the volume of data, the speed or the velocity of the incoming information, and the variety of data and formats being collected. A brief history of big data. We'll have to go back to 1991 when we have internet for the first time, which means that we have a web of data being interconnected and accessible worldwide. And then 1999 when we have the terms of big data being mentioned for the first time. And 2005, Web 2.0, data from the people, where people generate more data than ever before, when people generate more content than the service providers. And then 2011 to now, when we know about big data more, and then we are also eager to actually make the best use of it with machine learning, neural network, deep learning, and all of these terms that are related to artificial intelligence. Let's go to the use case, the Cloud Capacity Challenge of Salesforce. Salesforce is a cloud-based company providing customer relationship management, meaning that the clients can use the software to do their customer relationship management and store all of the data in the clouds that Salesforce provides. Objective: minimizing the costs of cloud capacity management. It means that we want to have the right amount of capacity at the right time by the right vendor with the lowest cost. The constraints are one, the number of clients and plans they choose, the smaller or the bigger storage, as they can change over time. And on the other hand, the data center hardware infrastructure and its capacity are rigid, and we need to decide ahead of time. The decisions that we have to make would be how many clients we gain and retain over time, and the plan they choose, along with the cloud capacity needed. And we also need to find out which vendors would give us the most efficient price. What's the difference between just data and big data? With the first, we would do a traditional business forecasting or business analytics when we have a case-specific data, for example, the base demand and then the cloud capacity in the house. And we would also make simple predictions, for example, how much cloud capacity needed in the upcoming month and so on. With big data, we can know so much more. We have all of the above data, plus the data that we don't purposely ask our clients. So for example, the title that they have, if they're manager of their CMO or CFO, or the time when they signed up or upgrade, and then the plans that they buy together, or the company stage and the revenue that they're making. So with all of this data, machine learning can figure out the patterns. So for example, maybe this time of the week or like this time when the company is measuring into some certain stage that they will upgrade their plan. So we would have missed all of these things if we just use data instead of big data. And if we stretch it even further to artificial intelligence, it can even tell us in natural language. For example, hey, by 2020, we need to increase our cloud capacity by 5 times. Why does data-driven approach matter? Big data means more things to see, explore, and learn. The combination of big data, machine learning, or even artificial intelligence, it allows businesses to find out what they want to find out more precisely, more accurate predictions. And with this accurate forecast, businesses can deploy resources more effectively, meaning that they can minimize costs and eventually maximize profit.